having a hold in the Plattsburgh area of New York, just outside of the Montreal area. Due to the weather in Montreal, the drifting snow and so on has slowed down the arrivals just a little bit. We don't anticipate a very long delay, probably about another 10 to 15 minutes. We'll be cleared into the airport, and we should be at the gate in Montreal by 7:30. Latest weather we have, it's really not too bad. It's just a few broken clouds with quite strong winds out of the southwest, gusting 15 to 25 miles an hour, so that's causing some drifting snow across the runways. And it's starting to cool down quite a little bit in Montreal. Temperature's -8 degrees. And we thank you and hope you enjoyed the flight this evening.